You spend about 1/3 of your whole life doing this. Not working, not eating, sleeping. So why does a good night of sleep matter so much? Today, we find the answer together. And while we do, you will learn 5 useful English words. You will hear each word many times, so listen carefully. Let's begin. While you sleep, your body is very busy. It repairs muscles, it heals, it brings back your energy. To bring something back to full strength is to restore. Sleep is the time your body works to restore itself. When you restore your energy at night, you feel strong in the morning. But sleep does not only help the body, it also helps the mind. All day, your brain collects new things, new words, new faces, new ideas. At night, your brain sorts them and keeps the important ones. This store of what you have learned is your memory. Good sleep makes your memory stronger. If you sleep well after studying, your memory holds the new English words. Sleep badly, and your memory becomes weak. Have you ever felt angry or sad after a bad night? The way you feel inside is your mood. Sleep has a big effect on your mood. After good sleep, your mood is calm and happy. After poor sleep, your mood can turn dark and tired. So when you protect your sleep, you protect your mood too. The next morning, sleep is still helping you. The power to keep your attention on one thing is called focus. After a good night, your focus is sharp. You read faster, you work better, you learn more. But when you're tired, your focus breaks, and small tasks feel hard. Sleep is the easy way to a strong focus. So how do you get this good sleep? The secret is a routine. A routine is a set of things you do the same way again and again. Try a simple night routine. Go to bed at the same time. Put your phone away. Keep the room dark and cool. Do this routine every night and good sleep becomes easy. Now repeat after me. Slowly. Sleep helps you restore. Sleep protects your mood. A good routine gives you sharp focus. 5 new words, and now they are yours. Quick test. What word means the way you feel inside? Write your answer in the comments. Subscribe to Ninja English for a new lesson from real life every day. Now, go and get some good sleep. See you next time